Hello, Glamour Ghouls. Welcome back. If you are new here, my name is Midge Munster, and on this channel we do all things campy, kooky, glamorous, and spooky. Or cute and spooky. I'm wearing my Rachel Maxey tee today. If you don't follow Rachel Maxey and you like the kind of vintage aspects of my channel, definitely go check her out. She's amazing. So today I am very excited to be doing an unboxing slash haul slash try on video. I feel like it's been a while since I've done any kind of haul or unboxing on the channel, and I'm very excited because this is a company I have wanted to purchase from for a very long time, and I've never gotten around to it, I guess. Or, you know, it's kind of one of those things where you feel like it's like you don't need it, but you really want it. It's one of those types of things. But one of my goals for 2021, which this is kind of a strange resolution maybe, but one of my personal goals was to expand my shoe wardrobe. Surprisingly, as a person who owns a lot of clothes and a lot of bags and, you know, a lot of stuff, I don't have hardly any shoes. I own 3 pairs of shoes. 2 of them are black flats, one like a leather look and one that have kind of a suede look. And then I have a pair of tan flats for my like more brown based outfits, and that is it. I've just never been like great at buying shoes. I don't know why. I have really large feet and I think it's just always kind of stressed me out maybe. I don't know. But I have so much fun in the other aspects of, you know, my wardrobe that I really want to start trying to have more fun in the shoe department. And a shoe company I have been eyeing for several years now is Strangecvlt. So Strangecvlt had an Easter sale this past like 2 weekends ago for 30% off everything on their website, and I went a little crazy. I did not just buy 1 or 2 pairs of shoes, I bought 5 pairs of Strangecvlt shoes, and I am very, very excited. I feel like I got a great deal on them. They are definitely not inexpensive shoes. They're not super, super expensive, but I felt like I was getting a really good deal on all of these, and so I kind of splurged and treated myself, and I'm very, very excited to show you what I got. I should say this video is not sponsored. Strangecvlt did not send me these shoes. I purchased these with my own money, and you know, anytime I get anything fun or spooky, I have to show you. So let's just dive right in here, and I'm gonna give you my honest opinions about these shoes. I will say, unfortunately, the carrier busted these boxes up pretty bad, so that sucks. The boxes are not in good condition. I will start with the one that's in the best shape, just so you can kind of see what the packaging looks like. So this is the first box. I don't know which pair we're starting with. So there is their logo. Oh, pretty. So you open it up and it's got this kind of red spiderwebby tissue paper. Very pretty. Oh, that's really nice. So they come in, let's set this down. They come in bags, like protective cloth bags, so that's really nice. Oh, okay. So this pair I'm very excited about. And as soon as I show you, you will understand why. This is the Lydia flat, I believe. And it's got black and white stripes and just like this tiny little bit of a heel on it, and just a little bit of, you know, extra cushion between you and the ground. It's got a nice rubber sole with some traction on it. I don't know if you can see that. There you go. And then this patent bat with white stitching. Oh, these are so cute. I like kind of this little dip lip on it. And these are originally, I believe, $60, and obviously, like I said, I got them for 30% off. They do feel very stiff, like very firm. And I will tell you, for people who are, you know, particular about where you source things from, all of Strangecvlt's shoes are made of vegan leather with rubber soles. So yeah, here are the Lydia flats. I will try them on. So bear with me while I figure out how to shoe model, but here are the first pair, the Lydia Bat Flat. I absolutely love the way these look on my feet. I think they're really whimsical.
They of course have huge Tim Burton vibes, which I love. I've never owned a striped shoe before, but I think they're a lot of fun and that they'll go with a lot of my spooky attire. And they're like really, really comfy, so that's a bonus. I'm overall really, really happy with these.
All right, so that's what I was talking about when I said the carrier kind of really busted up several of my boxes pretty bad, which is a little bit of a disappointment because when I do have nice shoes, I like to keep the box they came in so that if I ever sell them or anything, that I can sell them in the original box. Here is our next shoe. What is it? Ooh! I was really excited about these. So this is the Dagger spiderweb flat. And spiderwebs are one of my favorite like prints. I just love the way webs are, and I love a pointed toe on a shoe. I have very flat and very wide size 10 feet. And so I like a dagger toe because it kind of gives that slimming illusion to the foot. And this one also has just that little bit of a heel on it, but nothing crazy, with a rubber sole with the same traction. And these ones have red interior, which is really pretty. So let's try these on.
So sadly, as you can see, the Dagger style flats do not fit my feet, even though they're the exact same size. I just cannot get my foot in there, so I am really bummed. I love these shoes and I really like the way they look on my foot, but unfortunately these will be going back in the mail.
This is so fun. It's like goth Christmas. All right, next pair. So this one I actually have to get out both of the shoes to show you. So these I think I will be wearing all the time. These flats, when you put them together, say spooky. And I think they are so, so cute. It is just a same kind of a rounded toe. It's kind of the same cut as the Lydia flat, just a rounded toe with that lip. And it's just a plain black with the red sole. And then the word spooky is embroidered on there, so you can kind of see it's threaded. I think these look really nice. I'm impressed with how the lettering looks really clean on there. Those are super, super cute. I can't wait. Let's try them on.
These have to be my favorite pair that I got. They seem to be the most comfortable of all the pairs. I also love that the spooky word font is so big and graphic. You can really see it from far away. My only concern will be keeping these clean because the letters are so white. I definitely need to Scotch guard them or something before I wear these out, but they are so cute and very comfortable. I love them.
Okay, we have two pairs left, and these actually are in different boxes. And I know why now, actually, I think. So these are in orange, kind of metallic-y boxes. Still the Strangecvlt logos. But these have orange tissue on the inside. I'm very excited about these. So the orange boxes are Strangecvlt Halloween edition shoes, and that is why this is also the Lydia flat. But these are this iridescent color shift pink glitter with a pearlescent vinyl inside, the pumpkin jack-o'-lantern face with a pink inside and even a light baby pink sole. These are so stinking cute. These were one of those where I knew that I wanted them, but I could not justify having pink jack-o'-lantern shoes. I was like, when am I gonna wear that? And then I was like, oh right, all the time. I am so happy that I got these. And these were actually already marked down to $30, and then they were 30% off. So these were a steal, and they're really well made. Again, all of these shoes with the vegan leather vinyl, they feel A little bit stiff. I think they're definitely going to take some time to break in, but gosh, they're beautifully made. Like the stitching is really beautiful, and they're just so pretty and fun and unique, and I love them. Let's try these on.
I love these. Look at the way they cast a pink glow on the floor underneath me because they catch so much light. Ah! These are just so much fun. I will definitely be wearing them all spring and summer. They are just so cute and feel very comfortable and like lightweight on my feet, almost like a slipper. I just cannot wait to wear these out and about. I think I'm going to get a lot of compliments on them.
And last but not least, we have one more of the Strangecvlt Halloween edition boxes. Again with the orange web paper. And these I got for a very specific purpose, and I'm very excited. Scary Face Jack-o'-lantern Dagger Toe Flat in orange matte with a kind of patent black behind the face. You can see the label on the inside too is different. It has that Strangecvlt pumpkin, it says Halloween edition. And these I actually got because the color and the face matches one of my spooky handbags that I carry a lot. You'll see that coming up in my spooky bag collection in a few weeks, but I could not resist these beauties. I'm just really happy to finally have some pumpkin flats because I feel like it's one of those things that I always wish I had. Like sometimes I think, oh, I would never wear that, and then I put things on all the time and I'm like, I wish I had pumpkin flats to go with this outfit. So I'm thrilled with these. Again, let's try them on.
So once again, the Dagger flat does not fit my foot and I am devastated. I really like these. I love the way they look. I think they'd be so cute dressed up or dressed down, but unfortunately my foot is just not getting squeezed in there.
Okay, so final thoughts. I'm definitely disappointed that the Dagger flats don't fit. That's my kind of favorite shoe silhouette, and I went back and looked on the website and there's no like customer reviews or any details on the Dagger flats that say to size up, and the 10s and the Lydia flats fit perfectly. So I guess I'm a little disappointed that there's no notation letting you know that those do not fit the same as the size 10s in the round-toed flats. I am gonna see if I can exchange them for the size up and see if that fixes the problem, if those will fit me better. But yeah, I'm really bummed because those were two of my favorite pairs and they don't fit me. And it's definitely not like a thing where I could stretch them out or anything. They're pretty stiff and solid and I can't even, get like a socked foot in there or anything to try to stretch them out. So that's a bummer. But the 3 pair of Lydia flats that I got that do fit are super cute. I think they're really nicely made. They feel like a good pair of shoes. Like the sole on them feels nice and it feels like it's going to hold up over time. The other thing I would say is that with the Lydia flats, I can tell that they are the type of shoe because they are stiffer that are going to need to be broken in a little bit and would probably give you blisters if you didn't wear, like a protective sock or something with them the first few times you wear them. So I will definitely be making sure to wear like a no-show sock and covering my heels and stuff the first couple times that I wear each pair, just to help them kind of loosen up a little bit and form to my foot. But they are very comfortable and they stay well on my foot. Like my foot doesn't feel like it's sliding in and out of them, which is really nice. And I think as they soften, they'll kind of form better to my foot. With wider feet, I'm sure a lot of you have experienced this. If you have wider feet, the shoe kind of like gaps on the outside sometimes when you roll forward. I think that will probably loosen and be less like stiff over time. So that is it for today's video. Thank you all so much for tuning in. I do believe from the ads that I have seen that Strangecvlt is still running that Easter sale with the code Easter30 at checkout. So definitely go give that a look. If you follow them on Instagram or their Facebook page or whatever, they do tend to run a lot of great sales throughout the year. So even if they're not still running that Easter sale when this video comes out. Definitely keep an eye on their pages because they do run some great sales throughout the year. And then instead of getting one pair, you can splurge and get all kinds of crazy things like I did. They have a lot of really cool shoes that are not just flats. They have spooky flip-flops, they have platform creepers, they have boots, they have slippers, they have all kinds of great shoe options. So I cannot recommend enough checking them out and getting yourself a fun, spooky shoe wardrobe. And of course, if you are interested in any of the styles that I tried on today, I will have links for Strangecvlt's website and all the specific styles that I purchased in the description box below. If you enjoyed today's video, drop me a comment. Let me know what your favorite pair of shoes that I got in today's haul was. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel before you leave today. I put out a new video every week, and we would love to have you as a part of our Glamour Ghoul gang. Thank you all so much for watching, and until next time, keep it campy, kooky, glamorous, and spooky. Bye!
Weirdos come out to